Hi, good morning. I am always focusing on the option of that margin purchase, you know. So that is available in your all the broker site in the name of e-margin, right? So I've always focused on these type of option which is available for the small scale investors and those just want to play during the opportunity. So today is the opportunity for the all the small investors to enter into the market and balance their portfolio. Now the simple way of doing thing is that ki go for the Nifty 50 scripts. Mean to say those shares which comes under the Nifty 50, that 50 shares, you just start to focusing on that share. Then you go for the sector wise. Pharma sector, automobile sector, IT sector, banking sector, FMCG sector, and other mixed sector like Reliance and other conglomerates. So do one thing, go and start investing by keeping a liquid fund with your in your hand, approximately 3 to 5 lakh rupees. Don't go for the 100% put your money into the portfolio development. Do one thing, while you are creating the portfolio, 20 share, 25 share, 30 share, start purchasing through the e-margin option. So here your portfolio become like if you purchase these type of shares, you have to invest the 25 to 35%. Now during this period, margin has been increased because of the this doubts of the market. Market can fall to the 5% or 6%. So might be you have to pay a 40% of the margin to buy a some script. So start one side buying this thing. Now what will happen? If market go further down, right, then there is a requirement of a small margin 2500 or 5000 something that you have to deposit there only. That money is not a loss. That money is further you are investing into the market to meet out that margin which is financed by the bank, so that you invest into it. So gradually your whenever market is going down, that broker is asking for the deposit that margin, so you continuously deposit that margin by keeping that money aside, right? So 1 lakh you have invested, you have created a portfolio of 3 lakh rupees. Rest of the 2 lakhs you have keeping in your hand to meet out that margin. That is a one strategy. And another point, that is a hedging point. So a simple way of hedging is that because this much of market is falling in the doubt because of the reason of the that reciprocate tariff by the Trump government and the that worriness of the recession, because crude oil drop down is many we can say it's an alarming situation for the investors. So anyway, we are a small investor, we want to create a portfolio with a certain amount, so this is the policy what I am explaining you. Another thing is that at the side start purchasing a put option of 300, 400 lesser than the strike price. So what you will find here, if market further drop down, you will get some money from that put option, right? That will start balancing your portfolio. And at the same time, because you have some money, you have kept the some money aside as I advised to you, so that money we will invest in an interval of 7 days or a 10 days, not regularly. The market is falling and we are just trying to averaging our portfolio. Don't do this thing. You have a certain things, because we know the market is a, like the definition of market is a up and down. Okay, sometimes this type of situations comes and this is the time where you have opportunity to enter into the market. So keep everything like that what I said. And another thing, another side, start purchasing a put option. Two things will going to be happen in that case. One is that if market go further, you will get some amount from the put profit, and that profit will meet out your this margin which created because of the your portfolio bringing down, right? So because of the market come down, so this margin can be compensated through the this put margin. Now if market recovered, if market go up, then what will be the happen? In that case, this put option will going to become zero, right? But your portfolio of 3 lakh rupees, is being giving you that much of amount which will easily absorb this loss of put option. So try it very consciously, very gradually, very calmly. Don't be excited. Plan for the 1 month, 2 month, and then start creating your portfolio. And this is the opportunity for the small or micro investors. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.